My name is Muntha Ilyas and I am a student at University of Agriculture, Faisalabad, Department of Zoology, Wildlife and Fisheries. I am here to present effect of weeds and seed treatment on pests and their natural enemies in maize crop. In Pakistan, maize is an important crop after wheat and rice, which is mainly used as nutritional source for humans as well as animals. It also gives the crop material to highly economically important industries. Weeds are a significant plant resource for insect, in spite of the fact that pest feeding on vegetation can lead to positive as well as very harmful impacts on crop efficiency. There are naturally emerging weed species that can influence the capacity of scattering pests to find their host. The treatment of seeds refers to the application to seed prior to the sowing of certain physical, chemical, or biological agents to suppress, control, or repel pathogens, insects, and other pests which attack seeds, seedlings, or plants, ranging from basic dressing to coating and plating. Seed treatment with different pesticide is effective against insect pests. Pesticide seed treatment provide more protection against pest feeding damage on the shoots and foliage of plants as compared to plants shown from untreated seeds. So, the trial was conducted in research specific area at Rangwala Department of Entomology, University of Agriculture, Faisalabad. The hybrid maize seed was treated with pesticide to check the effect of pesticide on insect in maize field. 15 ml solution was applied for 1 kg of seed. Seed was treated by spreading on plastic sheet. Insect pest monitoring was done on regular basis using fixed sampling method in weeds and weed free plots. There were 4 replications and each sampling site was considered as replication by using RCBD layout. Our results shows that in VD plot maximum density of arthropods were recorded. So ladybird beetles are maximum which were recorded and followed by ash weevil, maelstrom borer, shoot bug, flea beetle, grasshopper, shoot fly, syrphid fly, bistre beetle, white fly, and fall armyworm. While in weed free plot, arthropod densities decreased. Pesticide seed treatment also minimize the infestation by pests. So this study will be useful for the future sustainable management of pests of maize crop.